the relentless pressure that he applies on defenses as well. Oh no! Oh wow! Well, he gets, I think, the luckiest possible bounce off the upright. It almost happened in slow motion, the ball going past Oscarino. Seems
a bit of a heavy pass there. Oscarino possibly not expecting that ball.
Yeah.
And it probably an indirect free kick, because it'll go down as a back pass.
Yes. Oh! Brilliantly! Well, they gave the response. Finally, he has a... How difficult is it to shake off a moment? I'll get back to that as Ikram Reyners finds Ribeiro. Look at that disguised pass. That is gorgeous. Wow! Rounds two in front. Now Salez, chance to hit it. Oh! Well, it is. Salez joins the party.
Yeah, this could get ugly. So rampant Sundowns early on. Just a quarter.